Hi guys, welcome back. Good evening. The second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 27th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 2 stars. We have a binary left, the tectonic left, and it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, and number 662. 662. 662. Yeah, 662. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Alright? So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones. We have here 2 2s. 3 2s. Correction. 2 3s. 1 4. 3 5s. 2 6s. 4 7s. 2 8 and 2 9. So the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? Yes, 7 in this column. Third column, 7 in second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next to the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me look for another digit. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 2, okay. 2 2. Need a 2 here. Okay, and now 9 9. How about the 3? We have a 9 here. 9 9. Alright. 1 1. 1 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in the second column, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8. 1 and an 8. Alright. So 2 9 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 4 9. 2 4 9. 2 4 9. 2 4 9. Then look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this first row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next to that column. No, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between Second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. How about the 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row? So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. How about 6. Yeah, 6. I'm thinking. The 5 in this column, the 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Interesting. 5. How about 4. We have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two. We have 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Wait. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2. Okay, we have a pair, I believe. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the last column, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 1, 4, and 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and the 6 in the second row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes and there. Then 2 missing numbers. Oh wait, 1 number left in the second row. We have here the 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes and there. Wait. And now 1 box left in this column for number 1, I believe. Yes, 1 is missing. 1 box left in this column, last column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Yeah, the 3 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. So here 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Alright. Now. Ooh, 367, 367. Interesting. With all the 2s, nope. Need the 2 here. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Right. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 1st column, so the column between. 2nd column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5 should be there. The 5 in this column, the 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. 1 number left now in this 2nd column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then yeah, 6 and 8. Okay. Now. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah, we have a pair. In this big square. 3 and a 6 in this column. 3 and a 6 in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, and 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in the last row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 4 and 7. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Right. Then. Let me see. 7, 8, 6, 8, and the 1. It can be here. Come on. 2 missing numbers in the 1st column for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 and the 3, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. one box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then one box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and 2. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finishes 60 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.